Hi, Cameron. I'm making you a little video so that you can see how to log into Imagine Learning. So first, you want to go to this website, ddouglas.k12.or.us. That is the website for the David Douglas School District. And then you're going to go to Students and go down to Student Google Login and press it. And once you get there, you're going to put in your username, which is 762714. And your password is your birthday, which is 04012014, April 1st, 2014. And then here is what's called your dashboard. So see, it says your name, Cameron. So then you're going to press on Imagine Learning. And what will come up is it will say, is your name Cameron? It should say that unless you accidentally put in the wrong login. So you would press yes because your name is Cameron. And then this part takes a while, as you can see. But after you wait patiently, it'll log you in. And then it will start doing some different activities. So to stop, you press the pause button like I just showed you, and then you're going to press log out. And then once you're done there, you press this, and then you can log out of the dashboard by pressing sign off. All right, I hope that was helpful. I would love to see you logging into Imagine Learning every day from 10:30 to 11. All right, keep up the good work, Cameron.